We are in Williams Bay, Wisconsin. Southeastern Wisconsin, kind of right in between Milwaukee, Chicago, and Madison, right in the middle.
We're in Williams Bay High School, Williams Bay, Wisconsin. We're in our tech ed shop.
There's nothing going to this capacitor right now, and you have it coming from the capacitor to here. I'm an elective, so I want to spark interest. Are you going to try doing that?
I saw the machines and I love using stuff with all electronics and pneumatics, and I saw it and I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it.
This is just like a motor. We already have a robust construction kind of leg and program, and so I was looking for what does our local industry need. We're surrounded by a lot of big name manufacturers, and I felt like, okay, what's going on in manufacturing? And so I started looking around there and started seeing all this automation. But what you want to do is measure, okay, what is this? Met with Lab Midwest at a conference and started learning about a lot of the Amatrol equipment that was specific to Industry 4.0 and advanced manufacturing. They'll learn pneumatic controls, AC/DC electric, smart sensors, hydraulic controls, relay controls, and industrial robotics, and how to not only learn about them and how they work and how they function, but how they can interact and integrate those things together, which gives them kind of a basis to be creative, to approach problems differently.
My favorite is the AC/DC and pneumatic.
It's just something different than your normal English, math, and everything. It's more hands-on.
As a student, it's really important. If you're interested in this stuff, this is what is shaping the future and shaping the industry right now. And just getting those foundational skills before they leave high school is kind of my goal, is to make sure that they understand what's going on out there.
I want to be, what I'm looking at is a mechanical engineer. And a lot of the robotics, the pneumatics, that fits a lot with mechanical and how everything's moving around and electricity, and it's awesome.
I'm getting into HVAC, doing a youth apprenticeship and stuff, so it's helped me with that too.
I feel like there's a direct connection with our digital natives. This equipment and this type of stuff speaks to our students a little differently, and I feel like they get excited about it. It's great that they can just kind of look at it, and with their own intuition they can start figuring out kind of its capabilities, and then you start giving them a little bit of direction, guiding them along the way, and then they have a lot of these aha moments.
One of the cubes flipped this way so it didn't go.
Since we started our program, we have had a lot of contacts reach out to me asking about the program, what we're offering, what we're doing, and so much so that they want to be a part of it.
You have a way more complicated circuit going.
Harley Davidson has donated equipment to us, Fastenal's donated equipment to us. Linmont Motors wrote an application for a grant that we received $10,000 for. Midwest Precision Molding, they actually helped us purchase our Skill Boss. We've been partnering with them to do field trips. I know that tech ed not too long ago was almost on its way out the door in the high school. And so seen that kind of energy and that kind of activity in tech ed is just great. It really validates what we're doing here. It just makes it exciting. It kind of inspires me to want to learn more about all the new things that are coming up, and just being able to add more value to this elective is great.